Привет! Hello and welcome back to our Russian lesson. Привет! Меня зовут Марина. My name is Marina. So the last time we spoke, we started to speak about possessive pronouns. We learned in masculine version, feminine, neuter, and plural, my, your, and our. Today, I would like to continue to speak about your, but plural and Polit form. And so, your, but plural or Polit form. And so, it's ваш, ваша, ваше, and ваши. The third person, little bit different. Like him, his, her, and them. In third person, in male version, his became его. Her became ее. Them, in plural, became их. And so, let's practice. For example, if you want to say его машина, his car, you say exactly like this. This is the feminine машина, but the pronoun, possessive pronoun, is remaining always его. So we don't need to change like here. Его машина, his car. For example, her car, ее машина, her car. So you see, we don't change. And for example, them car, их машина. Them car. And you see, we repeated, we learned new plural and not plural for version of your, and third person of possessive его, and her ее, and them их. So we have to memorize only его, ее, их. His, her, them. And to ask which car is, who is the property, we have to use the question with possessive pronouns. And the question is чей, чья, чье, чьи. If you want to ask who owns an object, an animal, or a person, the question is whose does it belong to? Whose do I belong to? For example, let's try. So you see, чей is masculine, чья is feminine, чье, you can imagine, is neuter, чьи, of course, remaining plural, чьи, plural, whose, чей – это кот. Whose cat is this? Чья? Чья? Чья – это кошка. In Russian we have кот is masculine, кошка is feminine. Чья это кошка? Whose cat is this? So кот masculine, кошка feminine. Чье? For example, we can ask about photo. Чье? Это фото. Чье это фото? Whose? Whose? Sorry, like this. Photo is this. For example, speak about cats. Чьи это коты? Whose cats are this? And so, чей and pronoun non will be masculine. Чья, the noun will be feminine. Чье, the noun will be neuter. Чьи, plural, noun will be plural. And so we can answer, for example, чей это кот. Let's answer is my cat. Это мой кот. Of course, мой because кот masculine. Чья это кошка? Let's answer his. Do you remember his? What we have to put? Его. Это его кошка. Чье это фото? Let's put your plural. Чье это фото? Это. What you will choose. We have photo neuter, and so we'll put neuter. Это ваше фото. This is your photo. Это мой кот. This is my cat. Это его кошка. This is his cat. This is your photo. Это ваше фото. And so we have also чьи это коты. Let's answer our. Our коты, plural, наши. Это наши коты. This is our cats. And so we spoke, almost finished to speak about the possessive pronoun. So we learned the question чей, чья, чье, чьи, and third person and plural of your. So if you liked this lesson, please put like, put the bell, and subscribe on my channel, and write something in my or your comments to understand what you like, what you don't like. Thank you very much. Спасибо большое. Пока-пока.